Right, I have got to finish off. This is a 3-bead herringbone, and these are also 3-bead herringbone. And I need to finish off putting a clasp on. So I need the other end of the clasp. We've got a round bit there, and what we need to do is make sure that we put the right bit on, because 2 round bits to a clasp mean they don't fit together, which I have seen frequently on my own work and others. So we'll just double check it first every time. There we have the other end of the clasp. Right. I just put a knot in that. I don't believe it. How on earth did I do that? Oh, hell. I don't know how I did that. I do know how I did that. I seem to do it all the time. Right, so we have, just double check. We have the round bit and we have the bar. So, we can go ahead and put the end on the beaded thing. So, here we go up. What end did I have on that one? That was a frosty. So we'll have a frosty. And we go up the frosty, through the clasp, back through the frosty, and down another row. And we've got 3 beads. And we've got to the next colour. And we'll go up the frosty, through the clasp, making sure we don't go over the clasp bar. I've got another knot. I could have another knot. We just won't pull that bit. And then back down the frosty, and through another 3 beads. Let's keep going like this, and it ensures it's a nice, secure finish. Up 2, through the frosty, through the clasp, down through the frosty again, and now I will go further down. Just make sure it's not going to. Okay. There we go, down 3 that way, and up 3 the other way. Just so it secures it nicely. This stitch is really quite nice actually, because you go up and down, up and down, up and down, and it makes the connection really quite secure. Oh, I need to go that way. And then I'm going to make sure that doesn't. I have managed to actually hook it over the thing, finished it off, and realised that actually it was badly caught and couldn't be undone because I'd knotted everything. So we'll just double check, no knots. Go up that one a little bit. Oh God, thought that knot was going to cause a trouble. Catch another thread. Down a bit more. Down some more. Wish I could see. I can't see. This is where I discover I've really messed up. Right, there we go. Snip the damn thing off. Right, ta-da! And for my next trick, take that one off there. Actually, I should really go up. Let's take it up a bit. Being very lazy there, but thinking about it might be a good idea to take it up a bit. Let's use a different needle. Different needle. Have you seen how bendy these needles get? Sometimes they get bent in half. Ever so bendy. It goes round corners easier. Oh. Now this needle here is a big eye. And they're ever so useful because it splits all the way down the middle. And you pop your bit of thread in. This is a monofilament made by Wildfire or someone, I think, Barclay. And they do fishing wire. They also do beading threads. And the beading people found that the fishing wire was brilliant for doing their beading. Makes it a lot stronger, especially when you're working with crystals, because crystals have little sharp edges. And come undone. There we go, that'll do. That will do, give. Thank you. Seem to go through an awful lot of these needles. So we now have 3 herringbones. And I'm now debating whether I need to buy this one there. Have I not done that one? Ooh, didn't do that one. Let's do the same again. Wish I could see. Wiggly, 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 wiggly. Wiggly, wiggly. Now, one of the reasons I'm not actually... Oh, it's come out. Knotting at that end is because that particular end has gone through the other... that bead so many times. And is rather... It is actually quite secure. I trust that end more than the finishing end. So, right. It's done it again. How has that done it again? It's going to be an infuriating night. And what happens is that happens, and then I need the bathroom. And you think, oh, I've got to finish it. There we go. Pull it through. Right. So, we now have 3 pretty bracelets, all done in 3 bead herringbone, which is rather nice, and I've got to finish a necklace in 3 bone, and I'm wondering whether to actually do necklaces to match these. I don't know. The debate is whether to actually do them in size 8 or do them in size 11. Might have to do them in size 8 to match. Depends whether I can get size 11s. How's that? Do they look nice?